This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training Zanzibar in collaboration with Good Neighbors. The program is funded by COICA.
Dear listener, you may learn many useful concepts of English in this program as far as you pay attention. However, our program today is special for Form 3 English learners. The program will provide free discussion on identifying the concepts of expository composition or essay. Self-assessment is allowed while the program is going on. For our lovely teacher, this program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students so that they will learn with joy and improve their performance.
Slowly, this way. Don't go slowly.
This way. I'm coming. Oh, Musa, please get in. You have come at the right time.
The right time?
Yes, we need your help to push this cupboard.
Okay, it seems to be too heavy. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go.
Move it there, near at the door. Okay, thanks, Musa. Have a seat, please.
Switch on the fan, please.
I was about to read this invitation card.
Invitation card?
Yes.
What is it about?
Don't you remember that today is Saida's wedding ceremony?
Is it today?
Yes.
I have forgotten. At what time?
Let me read it. Okay, it is 5.
5?
Yes.
Read more. AM or PM?
How can it be AM? It should be PM.
But you have to say it. Anyway, I have come to bring your school uniform from Mr. Ali the tailor.
Okay, where did you meet?
At his workshop. I went there to send my trousers.
Thank you, Musa.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, Salma. I need to use the washroom.
Okay, go straight, then turn right. You will face it.
Alright. Thank you so much, Salma. It is the time to go back home.
Just wait. This magazine you brought with my school uniforms has very interesting story, but there are some missing papers.
What is the story about?
Environmental degradation is a process through which the natural environment is compromised in some way, reducing biological diversity and the general health of environment. This process can be entirely natural in origin, or it can be caused by human activities.
It seems like a composition, but I don't know the type of such composition. Do you know it?
Aren't you satisfied to know that it is an essay? There is no need to confuse ourselves on it.
Don't be naive, Salma. We have to identify all types of composition so that we may understand how to write them.
You are right. We have to identify how to write different types of composition and how do they differ.
I can explain and write only narrative essay, but this is not narrative.
Yeah, I know, but...
I have an idea.
Which idea, Musa?
Since we are going to Saida's wedding ceremony where Madam Guest will also be there, we will get a chance to ask her about the type of this composition or essay.
Great idea.
Have you already asked for permission from your mother?
Yes, she allowed us both, me and my sister.
That's good. Which transport will you use?
I will use Bajaji.
Okay. That's great. Let me go back home to prepare. Then I will come after 1 hour. Don't forget to take the piece of magazine, right?
Okay, even I will get a chance to prepare. When you come back, I will be ready.
Okay, see you later.
I'm coming. Oh, Musa, you look very smart.
Thanks. You look so beautiful.
Thank you. It's time to go. Mom, we are going.
Okay.
Have you called Bajaj's driver?
Yes, he will come soon. Just wait for a while.
Alright.
We are coming. How are you, Baruch?
I'm fine.
Let's go. Baruch,
Yes?
we are nearly there. Drive slowly, please. Take your money, please.
Thank you.
When the ceremony ends, we will call you.
People looks happy.
Yeah, it's a happy day.
Salma!
Yes? Hello, madam. How are you?
I'm fine. Musa, how are you doing?
I'm fine, madam.
Salma, you have come with a present?
No. When I was at home, I read this magazine. There was very interesting story, but it has no end because there were missing papers.
We said you'll help us to get some information. Won't it be a burden to you?
Not at all. Let us sit over there.
Alright.
What do you want to know from that paper?
Actually, what we wanted to know is the information written, an essay. And what type of essay is it?
Okay, can you read it, please?
Yes. Environmental degradation is a process through which the natural environment is compromised in some way, reducing biological diversity and the general health of environment. This process can be entirely natural in origin, or it can be caused by human activities.
I understand you. Do you know the type of the text you have read?
No.
That is a type of composition or essay, which is called expository composition or essay.
Expository composition. What is it?
Musa,
Yes,
do you still remember what is expository composition or essay?
I can try.
Okay, try.
Expository composition or essay is a type of composition that exposes or explains a particular topic using facts.
Wonderful, Musa.
Thank you.
But we may also say expository composition or essay is a type of composition aimed at exposing or uncovering something.
Madam, can you elaborate it more, please?
It describes something in such a way that other knows exactly what is it.
Do you mean that an expository composition or essay is a means of exposing different issues or evils in the society?
Exactly. Evils such as drug abuse, environmental degradation, killing people with albinism. Can you add more?
Other evils are like crimes, illegal fishing, and stealing may be exposed through this type of essay.
But madam,
What is your doubt?
sorry madam, you have mentioned different issues that may be exposed through expository composition. Are there different categories of expository composition or essay?
Of course, like other types of essays, an expository composition has several subtypes depending on the purposes.
Can you mention them, please?
Yes, these include explanatory, compare and contrast, cause and effects, problem and solution, as well as definition compositions or essays.
Would you explain each of them briefly, please?
Yes.
Let's start with explanatory composition.
Explanatory composition is a type of expository composition which explains a process or step by step how something happens, works, or is done or prepared. For example, how to prepare oxygen in the laboratory or how to cook biryani.
Do you mean we may write an expository essay to explain the process of preparing ourselves for national examinations?
You are correct, Salma. And some questions of this type of category are: explain how to cook ugali and describe the procedures for preparing tamarind juice.
Madam, it seems they want to serve the food.
Yes.
Would you please say something about compare and contrast essay?
The compare and contrast essay is a type of expository composition which explains the similarities and the differences between two circumstances.
Can you give us exemplary questions, please?
Yes. Questions of this category may be compare and contrast between African nationalism and European nationalism, or discuss the similarities and differences between chemical change and physical change.
Okay, we have understood you, madam. Now I have realized that even in science subjects, we have to write essays.
Yes, depending on a particular question.
What about the cause and effect essay?
Cause and effect essay is a type of expository composition or essay which explains the causes and effects of a certain circumstance.
Can you give out an example concerning cause and effect essay question, please?
Yes. Example: discuss the causes and effects of environmental degradation or global warming or corruption, and other examples.
This is very clear.
What about the problem and solution composition or essay?
In the problem and solution composition, the writers explain the aspects of a problem concerned and suggest possible solutions to the problem. Therefore, when you decide to expose a particular problem in the essay, then you must also suggest the solution of the problem. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. Now, try to think about exemplary questions concerning problem and solution essay.
Okay, let me try. Examine the problem of road accidents and propose possible solution to this problem.
Very good example.
Thank you, madam.
This means that writer investigates a problem and explains it to the readers. Then he or she suggests solutions.
Okay.
Madam,
Yes,
you mentioned 5 subtypes of expository essay, namely explanatory, compare and contrasts, cause and effects, problem and solution, as well as definition compositions or essays, but remains definition.
Hey, Salma.
Yes.
Are you sure madam has mentioned definition as a subtype of expository composition?
Of course, yes. Where are you, Musa? Were you thinking of having wedding ceremony?
Salma, stop it, please.
I'm sorry.
Alright.
Oh, you are so attentive, Salma. Can you say something about definition essay?
Sorry, madam, I cannot say anything on that.
It involves giving the meaning of terms or terminologies given. It provides a comprehensive understanding of particular terms or concepts.
Can we have an example for definition essay question, please?
Let's think about it. Okay, for example, when defining the terms like setting, plot, style, character, and characterization.
Very good.
Thank you.
We are at the wedding ceremony, but we have made very informative and valuable conversation.
Thank you. We forget even the purpose of being here.
You are right, but we have used the most of your valuable time to acquire some knowledge.
Thank you.
Now please allow us to go to enjoy the dufu.
Okay, just to go and have an enjoyment.
All right.
Thank you.
Musa,
Yes?
the bride and the bridegroom are coming.
Wow, very nice.
They look good. It's time to go. We can call our Bajaji driver.
Now, Salma, let us go on foot because it is not far from here and we may have simple discussion while walking.
Okay.
Salma,
Yes?
Madam Guest is very helpful.
Yeah.
Whenever you ask her about problems of different subjects, she is ready to help you.
You are right. Previously, I was confused with such story in the magazine.
It is not a story. It is an expository composition or essay.
Okay, expository composition. But now I can even help my fellows.
Let me test you if you really have understood.
Okay, I will also test you then.
Okay, what do you understand by the term expository composition?
Expository composition or essay is the type of composition aims at exposing and covering something. It is a type of composition that exposes or explains a particular topic using facts. This composition has its subtypes.
Wonderful, Salma.
Thank you. Now it's your turn, Musa. Identify subtypes of expository composition.
These include explanatory, compare and contrast, cause and effects, problem and solution, as well as definition compositions or essays.
I believe we identified their description.
Yeah, but can you please remind me about the possible questions of explanatory category of essay?
Why not? Listen to me very careful.
Alright.
The question may be explain how to cook biryani and describe the procedures for preparing fruit juice.
Thank you very much, Salma. Now, let me tell you the example questions of problem and solution essay.
Alright, tell me.
Examine the problem of gender inequality and propose possible solutions to this problem.
Wow, it is very nice example.
Thank you. Now let's think about exemplary questions of other subtype of expository composition such as compare and contrast, cause and effects, as well as definition essays.
We have reached the home. See you next time.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Bye.
Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
All right, I was with you in your conversation and I am so happy. Hopefully, our dear listener has got a lot of knowledge. Now, here are the questions about the topic for further discussion. With your friend, discuss with examples the subtypes of expository essays. With your friend, discuss with examples the subtypes of expository essays. Here is the end of this program, but you're so welcomed in the next program. Until next time, bye-bye.
Happy, 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 happy. Radio class. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, 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 happy. Radio class. Happy, 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 happy.
can be a pilot, you can be a doctor, you can be a soldier, you can be a lawyer. If you believe you can.